Hey everybody, we just got Memphis' 76 amps and subs celebrating America's 250th birthday. Let's go check them out. America! Here we got them. The subwoofers just came in and they're ready to ship. These are 12-inch with flex selectable impedance design. These have RGB LED cone illumination and rated at 500 RMS 1000 peak, and with a beautiful American design in the front. Complete your patriotic series with the 76 amplifiers. Here I have the monoblock amplifier and here's the 4-channel right here. These have RGB illumination throughout these sides here at the bottom. It also has the American flag right here. Beautiful. Make sure to grab them while you can. Happy birthday, America. Bill, what do you think of America?
I love it.